Welcome to my review of Bookmark, a website builder designed for those who want to create websites quickly and easily. When you first land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that invites you to dive straight into the building process. Bookmark's standout feature is its IDA technology, which uses artificial intelligence to help you design your site in minutes. You simply answer a few questions about the site you want to create, and IDA generates a fully customizable design that's tailored to your needs. This can save you hours of work, especially if you're not a designer or developer. The customization options are intuitive and straightforward. You can easily edit text, images, and layouts using a simple drag-and-drop interface. It's great for those who need a site up quickly, but also want control over the details. The platform offers a wide variety of templates to get started, and you can further refine your site to match your personal style or brand. Another feature I like is that Bookmark is mobile responsive out of the box, which means your site will look great on both desktop and mobile devices without extra effort. One of the things that sets Bookmark apart from other website builders is its focus on speed. Thanks to IDA, the platform can generate websites much faster than traditional website builders. You can expect to have a functional, stylish site ready in under 30 minutes, depending on the complexity of your needs. There's also a strong emphasis on SEO, with tools built into the platform to help you optimize your content for search engines. You can easily edit metadata, add alt text to images, and make sure your site follows SEO best practices. This can help improve your site's visibility and ranking on search engines like Google. Many useful links can be found in the description below, so be sure to check them out after you finish watching this video. These links include additional resources to help you along your website building journey. As far as pricing goes, Bookmark offers a free version with basic features, which is great for personal projects or experimentation. However, if you need advanced features, like custom domains or more storage, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The pricing is competitive compared to other website builders, but it's worth considering what features you need before deciding which plan to choose. Overall, Bookmark is a powerful, easy-to-use website builder that's perfect for anyone looking to create a website quickly without compromising on quality. Its use of AI and intuitive design tools make it stand out in a crowded market, and I think it's definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.